We continue our unit about animals, and today we're going to learn about snow leopards. Snow leopards live high in the mountains in Central Asia. They live on very high rocky mountains. Snow leopards eat other animals. They use their sense of smell to find food. They also leave their own scent. Their own scent is a message to other snow leopards. In the zoo, zookeepers keep snow leopards healthy. Zookeepers give them high, rocky places to live. They hide food in high places. The snow leopards need to climb to find the food. Biologists mark trails with smells to help the snow leopards find their food. Wow, that sounded very interesting. Now what I want you to do is I want you to describe how those snow leopards use their senses to find food. Remember, you can always replay this video or you can read on your own this short paragraph about snow leopards.